Embraer's AI passenger aircraft is designed to fly fully autonomously without a cockpit like traditional aircraft. Embraer is a Brazilian multinational aerospace corporation that develops and manufactures aircraft and aviation systems. It is the third largest producer of civil aircraft worldwide after Boeing and Airbus. Embraer is headquartered in São José dos Campos, Brazil, with offices and operations in China, the Netherlands, Portugal, Singapore, and the United States. This fully autonomous private jet design, introduced by aerospace company Embraer, represents a breakthrough for the future. According to Sunday, the company partnered with Bombardier to provide a vision of an AI-powered business jet at the National Business Aviation Association event in Orlando, Florida. Embraer announced plans to produce a mid-size AI aircraft model. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the aviation industry, from optimizing flight paths to enhancing passenger experiences. Here's a glimpse into how AI is shaping the future of flight. Aircraft are vehicles designed to travel through the air, primarily supported by the lift generated from their wings. They come in various shapes, sizes, and purposes, from small private planes to massive commercial airliners. The new aircraft features a cabin divided into 3 zones with spacious seating and touchscreen windows. The vehicle is also designed to operate entirely on sustainable fuel. The engines are not located on the wings, but are stacked and have 3 air intakes, including one on the top of the fuselage and the other 2 on the sides. The aircraft also has a V-tail never seen before on a business jet and an engine configuration with 2 turbofan engines at the rear. This design is a fully autonomous aircraft, without a cockpit and with a new cabin configuration like a lounge at the front. Sustainability is at the core of the aircraft with a green propulsion system based on SAF fuel, electrification, and hydrogen. Embraer shared. However, Embraer did not disclose plans to develop and produce the aircraft. Some other airlines are also developing vehicles similar to Embraer's AI business jet, including Cirrus and Honda Jet, providing automatic flight functions in case of emergency if the pilot encounters a problem and cannot land the aircraft. About Embraer is known for its innovative aircraft designs, including E-Jets, a family of narrow-body short to medium-range airliners that are popular with regional airlines. Phenom 300, a light business jet that is the world's best-selling jet in its class. KC-390, a military transport aircraft that is being developed for the Brazilian Air Force and other customers. Embraer is also a leader in the development of new technologies, such as hybrid electric propulsion. Embraer is developing a hybrid electric propulsion system for its next generation of aircraft. Autonomous flight. Embraer is working on developing autonomous flight capabilities for its aircraft. Sustainable aviation fuels. Embraer is committed to using sustainable aviation fuels to reduce its environmental impact. About artificial intelligence in aviation. Autonomous flight. AI-powered systems are paving the way for autonomous aircraft, capable of taking off, navigating, and landing without human intervention. This technology holds immense potential for improving safety and efficiency. Enhanced air traffic management. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize air traffic control, reducing delays and improving safety. Predictive maintenance. AI can predict potential aircraft failures based on sensor data, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing downtime. Personalized passenger experiences. AI can be used to tailor in-flight services to individual preferences, from seat selection to entertainment options. Optimized flight planning. AI can analyze weather patterns, air traffic data, and aircraft performance to determine the most efficient flight paths, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Challenges and considerations. Safety and reliability. Ensuring the safety and reliability of AI-powered systems in aviation is paramount. Rigorous testing and validation are essential. Ethical implications. The development of autonomous aircraft raises ethical questions about decision-making in critical situations. Data privacy. Protecting sensitive passenger data is a key concern in the era of AI. Regulatory framework. Establishing clear regulations and standards for AI in aviation is crucial to ensure its safe and responsible implementation. Thanks for watching.